Welcome back to my channel. This lighting's horrible. Hold on. Is that better? A little bit. Okay, so welcome back to my channel, and I'm super excited because I have a package from Bros with Hose, and we're gonna do our first plant unboxing here. Let me rip this off because it has my address. But yeah, I'm excited. Real life. It is Monday, and I am on my break, so we need to hurry. It's gonna be a fairly short video. I did go on my break late. I do work remotely, thank God, because obviously I look a hot mess. I have some Santa pants on, some sock slippers. Sorry, not much of an intro here. So we do a little bit of different things. I'm still kind of figuring out what I want my channel to be, and it's basically whatever I want. So we get cute stickers from them all the time. There's that one. Okay, so I placed 2 orders on Black Friday. Their deals were so good I could not resist. So here's the first one, and I know what I ordered. Let's see. Oh, okay. Yay! So this one's actually a replacement plant. This one, get her open here. I don't normally cut things open, but like I said, we're in a hurry. I'm just on my break. Is a white fusion. Kind of small, but it's okay because like I said, it's a replacement. So look at that beautiful foliage. I absolutely love the white fusions. I have another one, but I recently almost killed it, and a lot of the foliage did die back. So I wanted to get a new one. So this one's a white fusion. It's so freaking pretty. And then let's just do a pest check really quick because these are prone to getting spider mites. So anyways, what happened with mine was that I forgot to water it. And it's actually back here. I don't know if you guys can see it. So it's fairly bald. There's that one. And then this other plant, oh, they put a heat pack. That's cool. It's attached to the box, but there's a heat pack in here that's no longer warm. This other plant, I don't know. I thought it was a replacement too, but I don't think I've ever owned this plant before. So let's pull this one out. Oh, it's beautiful. I think I would remember if I did own this plant, but I don't think I have. Okay. Oh my god, it's so pretty. If you're not a plant person, you probably don't get the excitement, but if you are a plant person, then you completely understand. Okay, it's a ring of fire. So this is a philodendron ring of fire, and she is beautiful. I don't know why I'm like so confused whether or not I've actually had this plant before. I want to say that I haven't because I think I would remember if I had one, but this is absolutely gorgeous and stunning. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I have no idea where I'm going to put this plant. This one eventually, after I treat it just, you know, just in case, I'm going to pot it hopefully with the other plant, and it already has a home basically. But this one, I need to find a really good spot for it. A lot of my good real estate has been taken. Normally what I'll do is I'll kind of just place them here outside of the cabinet so you can get that light. But I really quick wanted just to get them out. Check my time. I still have time. I really quick just wanted to get them out because I do like unboxing and letting them kind of acclimate to the new area. But hopefully they do well. But yeah, that's basically it. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing with you guys. I really like Rose with Hose. They can be a little bit pricey, but like I mentioned, I did purchase these on their Black Friday sale, and they had really, really good deals. And then if you build points, you can actually, I always love using this for the free shipping, so that's what I did. So free shipping plus the Black Friday sale. So that's all I purchased. Nothing super big or fancy, but they're really pretty and I'm super excited. I hope you guys liked this type of little video. It was definitely fun for me. As you can see, we're very, very casual here. But yeah, that's basically it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you consider subscribing to this channel. Please give this video a thumbs up. Leave me some comments down below on what you would like to see. And that's basically it. Until next time. Bye!